I mean, there just seemed to be no mutual respect. She just seemed like a tyrant. Well, anyway, show's been canceled, and she's trying to find another
reality job. Like, come on, can't you just go get a job like the rest of us?
I know, but I love this quote.
Oh, yeah.
Quote, a dream job to me would be either being a talk show host and being able to help and interview people and doing all that.
Doing all that. That's what we do.
Yeah,
doing all
that. Quote, or I would love to do more TV where I could be host of a show and go around and help moms work out. I have a lot of great ideas. I guess bottom line is I like to stay in TV because I like it.
She likes it. Oh, yeah.
I don't work hard.
I was going to say, I don't know if TV likes her, but apparently it does. No, because think of all the legions of fans she has. People watch for the drama. I don't know.
So she was asked by an interviewer if she would rule out a dating show, and she said, I'm not going to rule anything out at this point as long as it's wholesome and positive. Okay, who's gonna date her? 8 kids?